Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. So if you've been to our website, bootuppd.org, you may have noticed the project like the virtual museum, which has an interactive display of googly eyes, like the cactus with googly eyes and the potato with googly eyes, etc. So that's a fun project. And then if you scroll a bit further down, there's a game all the way down here, that's called Food Catcher, where you try and catch the healthy food and avoid the unhealthy food. Now, what if you combined these different ideas into a single project? So the neat idea that we're going to look at is called Tackling Wildfires, and it is by Shruti Smriti. So you press the green flag, and it says, okay, so we got these different options on here, and we hover over it. It gives you a little indicator, and it kind of changes the coloring on here. Cool. So the game that I mentioned tells you how to play it, and you can start the game. Your goal is to catch the wildlife and the hearts, but avoid the fire, because otherwise you'll lose your heart like that. Okay? See, I'm not very good at this game. Actually, I'm intentionally catching the fire. So did you notice how I actually gained a heart? That's pretty neat. So you can gain and lose hearts depending on if you catch them. And I'm going to go ahead and do this and say, let's go to the home screen rather than trying it again. Now, there's some other really cool things that you can do in here. So it's not just one thing. You can click on different areas of the project, and it will take you to a different room. So it's kind of like the virtual museum, except it's got different rooms in the museum, which is really cool. So when you click on different areas in this, it will tell you different things, different information. And then we finally have the prototype. Okay, so it tells you some different cool stuff that you can do, etc. So this was a really neat idea that combined the idea of teaching you something with a game and all within one project. So if you got a neat idea that's like this, make sure you comment it below so we can take a look at it and maybe we'll turn it into a video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.